Here's how you can easily change your Discord password if you forgot it. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, let me log out. Once you have logged out, click on the login option and then enter your Discord email. And then if you forgot your password and don't know it, click on the forgot your password option. That's just going to simply send an email to your, or rather it's going to send you an email, so go check your email. Simply head over to Gmail to check your email. And as you can see, here's the email that has been sent by Discord, so click on it. And then click on the reset password option. Now simply enter the new password, or your new password rather. Once you do that, click on the change password option. And then you can easily click on the continue to Discord. Now simply click on the login option. And then enter your email. And then enter your new password, the one you created. Then log in. And that's how you can easily change your Discord password. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.